In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Framer templates for portfolio. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to their official website over here and then on their marketplace. So if you don't know how to get here, this over here is the link. And then here you can just go to the resources and then click on marketplace where it says templates and plugins. Now in here inside marketplace, of course, you can see the feature, you can see templates, stuff like that. But if you actually want to use Framer templates for portfolio, you could go ahead in the search box here and just type in portfolio like that and hit enter on your keyboard, and this is going to show you all the different kind of templates over here which you can then use for your portfolios. Now some of these are going to be free, some of these are going to be paid, so of course just select the one that you want here. As you can see, there's a bunch of different ones which you can actually use to create your own portfolio here, and whenever you find one you can just click on it, and then I'm going to show you how to edit it. So let's say, I don't know, this first one, which actually is called portfolio, is the one that I want to actually use. I can just go ahead and click on it, and then it's going to basically show me what this looks like. And if you kind of like it, you could also of course preview it. So if you preview it, it's going to open up in a separate tab over here in your browser, and you can then basically see what this looks like. And if that's something you actually want as a portfolio, and let's say that's something that's going to suit you, you can then go ahead and close this, click on use for free, and it's going to open up in a separate tab where you can just click on copy, and it's going to basically copy this project into your library of projects inside Framer, and you're going to be able to actually edit this, and you'll be able to then basically make this for your own portfolio with your own information, stuff like that, because this is an editable template, and you can of course edit any of these templates that were available over there. So as you can see, it's over here as a desktop. You also have a tablet and then a phone version over here, and you can go ahead and just edit this. So for example, let's say you want to go ahead and type in, for example, your name. So it says, hey there, Albert Wilson. You can just go ahead and then, of course, change it and put in whatever things you want here. You could go ahead and edit layers, assets, pages, stuff like that. So there's a bunch of different things you can do, and you can, of course, edit it according to your own needs and preferences. Now, for your portfolio, of course, it's recommended to find actually one of these templates which are kind of in the niche where you are, because you're going to have a much easier job. As you can see here, this is kind of a designer portfolio, I'm guessing, because of how this actually looks like. Yeah, there we go, digital innovation, stuff like that. And you can go ahead and change these things. So as you can see, I can just type in over here, and it's going to change anything over on here. And that's basically how you use Framer templates for portfolio. You can just open it up and then just edit it in here and create it basically your own from what's already been made. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.